If you're looking for a high-quality, affordably priced multimeter, look no further than the INNOVA line of multimeters. For over 20 years, we've been producing tools with features and functions for the automotive enthusiast all the way to professional ASE technicians. The INNOVA family of multimeters all provide 10 meg-ohm circuitry, which prevents damage to sensitive electronics. They all include test leads and holders, as well as an easy slip-through strap for hands-free testing. They are fully UL listed for safety and quality and include instructions in either English, Spanish, or French. These personal home and auto electrical testers are both versatile and affordable, and can be safely and accurately used to troubleshoot a variety of automotive and household electrical problems. They can be easily used around the house on outlets, fuses, wiring, general-purpose batteries, and electronic hobbies. While on the car, they can be used on circuits, fuses, wiring, the vehicle battery and charging systems, electrical components, and more. Our 3300 is an entry-level multimeter and a must-have for every basic tune-up kit. This is the perfect tool for the general automotive enthusiast who wants to get the basic features and functions of a multimeter. The 3310 is the next in the line and comes with 19 different measurement settings, including settings for 1.5, 6, 9, and 12-volt batteries. It also comes with an audible beep to measure continuity. The 3320 features auto-ranging scales, which eliminates the need to dial in the correct range when making electronic measurements. It also includes color-coded LEDs to quickly check regular household batteries. Green equals good, yellow equals weak, and red equals replace. It also features a large digital display, a single setting resistance function for AC and DC voltage, along with protective rubber corner guards for drop protection. The 3340 is the pro's choice for a high-quality multimeter that has all the features and functions you need to get the job done. It comes with everything on the 3320, but adds a host of professional features, like a temperature probe that measures in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, an inductive clamp to measure vehicle RPM, and a carrying case for storage. Testing alternator diodes, duty cycle, solenoids, breaker points, wiring, switches, and more is now easier than ever with the 3340. It also features an automatic zero adjustment, reverse polarity protection, and min and max hold buttons to save retrieved data. All INNOVA multimeters come with the cables and accessories you need to get the job done, whether it be around the house or your vehicle. They come with a 1-year warranty and are supported by an all-ASE certified technician staff via the internet or toll-free phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. 6 days a week.